Welcome to this training video for the CareTrac Health Information Exchange portal. This video will give an overview of the portal's homepage and take a quick look at patient search functions, messaging, and the Files section where documents can be viewed and uploaded. There are separate training videos available that go into greater detail for each of these sections. After logging in, you come to the homepage. If you're wanting to look at client or patient information, you can go straight to the patient search box in the upper left-hand corner of the page. By typing in all or part of a client's first or last names, the portal will bring back all the matches it finds. When you click on the record you want, it takes you straight to the client record. We'll come back to this page in a moment. For now, let's go back to the home page. The main part of this page is the At a Glance section in the middle. Here you have a link to your messaging inbox with an indicator of how many unread messages you have and how many total messages. Below the inbox is the reminder section. Here you can see how many messages sent by you are unread, which can help with making sure communication with clients and other colleagues is timely. Below that is the link to the list of records the portal sees as potential duplicates. Next, let's click through the links found in the blue menu bar at the top of the page. First is messaging. Here you have a link to click if you want to message with a patient or client. And below that is a link to message with a colleague. The huge advantage of this messaging system over the one in your EHR is that your messages can contain unlimited amounts of PHI as they do in the EHR, but they can be sent to providers who are outside of your organization but are members of this portal. The next item on the menu bar is results, as in lab results. If lab results are loaded into the portal, this is where they will show up. The last link is patients. Here you search for the patient in the patient search box and click on the link to go to the client's record. Of particular interest is the Files link all the way at the very end. Here is where documents can be uploaded, shared, and viewed by any provider or staff person with permission to view the record, and by the client themselves. And now we return back to where we started, and that is the quick overview of the home page in the CareTrac HIE portal. Thank you for watching.